Hey, what's up, guys? So today I want to talk about some Windows tools. All right. I know a lot of you have probably heard of this tool from Chris Titus or Chris Titus Tech. Um, they are a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber, um, and he made this tool that is this tool is a compilation of Windows tasks that I perform on each Windows system I use. That's what he said. It is meant to streamline installs, de-bloat with tweaks, troubleshoot with config, and fix Windows updates. I am extremely picky about any contributions to keep the project clean and efficient. All right, so what this tool does, yeah, like Chris Titus said, installs programs, tweaks, fixes, and updates. Right Windows. So this is how it looks when you run it. Let me just make that bigger for you guys. Hope you can see it on the video. Let me see if you can see it. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit. I think I should be good. All right, so over here it says install. So this is the install section. As you can see, four tabs over here: install. Then you have tweaks, config, and then updates. So install this tool. You can install all these different tools and browsers and utilities with it, multimedia tools, communications. Then you have the tweaks tab, which I can't click since this is a JPEG. It's an image file, but yeah, it's meant to sort of like fix things, turn off telemetry, turn off data collection that Windows Microsoft does, and yeah, is it helpful? Yes, it's helpful. Will it break things? Yes, it will. And not just Chris Titus Tech's Windows utility, but a lot of them do break things. Sometimes it's going to be really difficult to revert back the changes that you've made. You might need to reinstall Windows, but for most of them, you can probably revert back easily. But this tool is helpful. I'm not gonna lie, it is helpful. But the thing is, though, this is not just like a one of a kind, and there's no other tools like it. There are a lot of tools like it. And what's great is about Chris's tool is that it's free and it is open source, which is awesome. There are, however, or there is, however, like he does accept donations for .exe wrapper. So now that I've showed you Chris Titus text tool, let me show you the other ones, all right? That are also on GitHub and that are also free and open source. And I think, in my opinion, I think they are better than the Chris text tool, which I have nothing against his tool, but it is just my personal opinion. Um, Let me show you one right here. So this one is called Sophia script for Windows. All right. And the thing is about these tools is that some of them are very outdated. All right. So what's great about Chris's tool is that he's always updating it. It's always being updated. And I'm going to show you tools that are also still in development. They're always being updated. So this one, Sophia script for Windows, as you can see, the last change, the last commit on GitHub is from 2 days ago, so it is still in active development. And what Sophia script for Windows is basically the most powerful PowerShell module on GitHub for fine-tuning Windows 10 and Windows 11. All right. So this is the page. It comes in all these translations over here. So about Sophia script. All right. Sophia script for Windows is the largest PowerShell module on GitHub for Windows 10 and 11 for fine-tuning and automating the routine tasks. It offers more than 150 unique tweaks and shows how Windows can be configured without making any harm to it. All right, so they do have a little before running note here, right? So Due to the fact that the script includes more than 150 functions with different arguments, you must read the entire Sophia.ps1. PS1 is just like the PowerShell file, right? So carefully and comment out and uncomment those functions that you do slash do not want to be executed, all right, without need to edit the code, all right, or use a wrapper, all right. Every tweak in the preset file has its corresponding function to restore the default settings. Running the script is best done on a fresh install because running it on a wrong tweaked system may result in errors occurring. So yeah, most of these scripts, it's best to run them on a, well, it's recommended to run them on a freshly new installed system of Windows, right? So here is the exe wrapper that is provided, and it just tells you how to use it, right? So these are the system requirements, the key features, right? Set up privacy, telemetry, enable DNS over HTTPS over for IPv4, turn off diagnostic track and schedule tasks with pop-up, form written in WPF, set up UI and personalize, like so many, uninstall OneDrive correctly. Many people that use Windows don't like OneDrive. This allows you to uninstall it correctly, quote unquote. All right, interactive prompts, like there's so many things, right? Uninstall UWP apps, displaying package names. Look at this, guys. This is an amazing script, man. There's even some. There's a video showing you how it looks. I don't know why it says video playback aborted. Something's wrong with my browser. But yeah, guys, once again, Sophia script for Windows is available free and open source on GitHub. All right. So that's one of them. All right, that's one of them. Close that. Where's the other one? Okay, this one's called Privacy.sexy. I don't know why that's the name, but whatever. All right, so Privacy is .sexy is open source tool to enforce privacy and security best practices on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux because privacy is sexy. That's what they say. Once again, free and open source as well, available on GitHub. All right, and this one actually, you can open it in the browser and you can So for example, if I want to do privacy cleanup, I click on this. I can select the standard. All right, it says over here, balanced. The standard preset is balanced for privacy and functionality. All right, OS and applications will function normally. It is recommended for everyone. So majority people, you will use standard if you want. Then there's strict. A stronger privacy disables risky functions that may leak your data. All right, double check to remove scripts where you would trade functionality for privacy. This one is recommended for daily users that prefers more privacy over non-essential functions. All right, or all. Strongest privacy, disabling any functionality that may leak your data. It is not designed for daily users. It will break important functionalities. It is only recommended for extreme use cases like crime labs where no leak is acceptable. And I'm pretty sure a majority of you guys watching this video are not from crime labs. All right, so if you are going to use Privacy.sexy, just stick to the standard preset right here. And all you have to do is copy what's here on the side, or you can just click copy. It copies everything. Or you can download it and run the script. If you copy it, you can drop it in PowerShell and it will run the script, or you can just download it and double click it and it will run the script. So once again, that is Privacy.sexy, and once again, available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Oh wait, that was already on Linux. So yeah, this is the Windows one right here. So standard. Yeah, I recommend you guys on Windows just do standard and run a script. And that is Privacy.sexy, guys. And once again, free and open source. And as you can see, it's currently in active development. 6 hours ago was the last commit. What else? What else? What else can I show you guys, man? I'm on GitHub right now, just looking. There's also one, I forgot the name of it. I think it was called something. I have to find it, but either way, guys. For now, that's it. You know. Oh, here, look at this one. This Windows de-bloat tool. This one tools. This one was it was updated last week. Similar idea. These scripts will customize, de-bloat, and improve privacy, performance, and system responsiveness on Windows 10 plus, so Windows 10, 11, etc. So you guys get the idea, man. Okay, this kind of has a UI, graphics UI version, so that's actually pretty cool. Instead of just running scripts, you can disable, enable whatever changes you want. So you guys get the idea, man. All these tools pretty much do the same thing. They pretty much do the same thing. I wish there was just like one huge tool and every developer, everybody just contributed to it rather than having multiple tools. But I guess more variety is better anyways for us. But either way, guys, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you use Windows 10 or 11, check these tools out. If you are a privacy, you care about your privacy, you care about what information companies, collect from you, and telemetry, data collection, things like that. Check these tools out. Let me know what you think in the comments, man. Take care, everyone. Peace.